Welcome! Today we're going to cover extending Microsoft Copilot Studio. We'll cover seamless identity integration with Entra ID, how to connect to your business data with Power Platform tools, and how to extend into the cloud with Microsoft Foundry. Entra ID brings enterprise-grade security and simplicity, and with Copilot Studio built on top of it to deliver intelligent, identity-aware agents that just work across your environment. And with Entra ID providing the foundation for secure, frictionless identity across our apps and services, we can plug directly into our identity layer so that every agent automatically respects the same authentication, access controls, and conditional access policies your organization already trusts. When you use the Office 365 Users Connector in the Power Platform, you're really tapping directly into your organization's identity backbone, Microsoft Entra ID. The connector doesn't store or replicate identity data. Instead, it uses your authenticated Entra ID session to securely query Microsoft Graph, ensuring every call respects the same access rules, protects your organization at the identity layer. Because it relies on Entra ID, it actually understands who you are. It can pull your basic profiles, your job titles, even your manager. All of this to give context without any custom integration work. Now I'm going to show you how we can use tools and MCP servers to bring live Salesforce context into Copilot Studio. There's no custom code. You simply configure tools, secure your authentication, and let the LLM do the heavy lifting. Of course, even the smartest agents aren't worth much if they're sitting siloed. The real magic happens when they're connected to your business data. That's why Copilot Studio comes with over 1,500 data connectors that allow you to tap directly into your systems that run your business. If they're CRMs, ERPs, HRs, or any other type system, even spreadsheets that have sprawled across your organization, ones you've sworn you've cleaned up someday, we've got you covered. If you've already been working with Power Platform, even better, you can reuse those existing connections in your agents. No need to reinvent the wheel, just plug, play, and let the agent do its thing. And with the power of the Power Platform connectors, I can connect to multiple external systems using my Entra ID. In this case, I'm connecting to Salesforce using both tools and MCP servers, as well as Microsoft Teams. And with the power of Copilot Studio, I can use topics to drive towards specific tools. Finally, with the power of LLMs, I can invoke various tools and pull up data from Salesforce and even click into data to go directly to Salesforce. Let's show how we can turn scattered knowledge into instant insight with Azure AI Search and Copilot Studio. Across every business, knowledge lives in thousands of documents, systems, and formats. Yet employees often struggle to find the right information quickly. With Copilot Studio gives you a powerful way to build custom copilots tailored to your business processes, but pairing it with Azure AI Search elevates that experience to an enterprise-grade level. With Azure AI Search, your copilots gain the ability to retrieve high-precision answers from your internal content, if it's policies, procedures, knowledge bases, contracts, manuals, and more. Instead of generic responses, your copilot's grounded on answers in your actual business data, improving accuracy, reducing risk, and speeding up decisions. Azure AI Search is Microsoft's AI-powered search and retrieval platform that connects your enterprise data to powerful generative and conversational experiences. It indexes both structured and unstructured content, meaning documents, PDFs, images, and more, and enriches them with AI so your teams can find the right information quickly and reliably. As you can see, I can use Azure AI Search along with other business data, including Dataverse, Salesforce, ServiceNow, etc., to help enrich my data with a indexed and vectorized AI search with Azure. And with the power of topics and generative answers, I can quickly ask questions and search data sources, including Azure AI Search and other knowledge. I can also set the moderation level and tell my agent how I would like it to respond back to my users. Orchestrate models with precision and control for real collaboration. Today, we're meeting customers where they are. Some teams want speed, others need deep control. With Copilot Studio, we can build agents fast in a low-code canvas, wired to business data and actions. With Microsoft Foundry, developers can go pro code for full customization, orchestration, and scale. Together, they give us one path from prototype to production without rework. Copilot Studio lets us stand up task-ready agents in hours, add knowledge, plug in M365 and business systems, secure it by design, and publish where people work, teams, web, or apps. It's the quickest way to turn policies, SOPs, and workflows into guided actions for the field. But when we need advanced retrieval, custom pipelines, or more multi-step orchestration, Microsoft Foundry takes over. Engineers can shape indexes, enrichment, re-ranking, observability, and integrate complex tool chains. Bring all of those capabilities back into the same agent experience. And the best part, our agents don't live alone. We can connect to other agents and services, tapping models from the marketplace, or even bringing in our own models, all governed by M365. As you can see, I can connect to agents I've built within Copilot Studio. I can connect to external agents on Microsoft Fabric, Microsoft Foundry, once built using the M365 Agents SDK, and even agent-to-agent protocol. And with a vast catalog of models, including GPT, DeepSeek, Grok, Claude, etc., and even the ability to bring my own models, I can quickly add agents and connect them to Copilot Studio. Copilot Studio agent dispatches to my Microsoft Foundry agent, gets a summary of case information from another system, and we can see within Microsoft Foundry, we can see the actual conversation that happened, including the user input from Copilot Studio and what is sent back. In this video, we've covered how we can connect to multiple services using Enter ID, including finding out more about ourselves and our group department manager. We've shown how we can connect to Azure AI Search by taking unstructured and structured data all across data silos and bringing it into Copilot Studio. We've shown how we can connect to various models, including Claude and OpenAI. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you.